Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company. If you're new to our community, subscribe, follow us on all other social media platforms, look for the logo, and hit the link somewhere in the description of this podcast. Join one of our digital courses, get the ebook and additional assets so that you can jumpstart your entrepreneurship journey. Creating sales on autopilot, learning the new rules of money, implementing the ultra wealthy mindset, and everything that has to do with building our business and multiplying our money through sound investing. Today, I have a great topic, which we did a live stream also about this. If you like to watch it, we created an ad at the end of this live broadcast, and we showed everyone how easy it is to launch a product that is not even our product, and creating an ad on Facebook so that we can collect leads every day. Okay, so go check it out. Subscribe to the channel as well. We're live streaming every single day, showing our community how to create true wealth. Today is February 7, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flowing Assets. Golden Rule. An asset is a business, system of systems, or an investment that produces positive cash flow, or also known as passive income, for us without us having to work to make the money. Today's title of the podcast is Unleashing Total Freedom, Building a Digital Business with Systems for Unlimited Sales and Passive Income. In the rapidly evolving landscape of entrepreneurship, the allure of building a digital business that generates unlimited sales and passive income has never been stronger. With the right systems and strategies in place, aspiring entrepreneurs can unlock the potential for financial abundance and total freedom. In this podcast, we will explore the blueprint for building a digital business, implementing systems for automation and scalability, and achieving the ultimate goal of passive income and total freedom. The blueprint for building a digital business. Launching a successful digital business requires a strategic approach and meticulous planning. Here is a step-by-step blueprint to guide you through the process. Identify our niche is number one. Start by identifying a niche or a market that aligns with our interests, expertise, and target audience's needs. Conduct thorough market research to validate demand, assess competition, and identify opportunities for differentiation. Number two, define our unique value proposition, or also known as UVP. Clearly articulate our unique value proposition, the value we offer to our target audience that sets us apart from competitors. Identify our strengths, USP, and core messaging that resonate with our audience and address their pain points. Build our online presence. Establish a professional and competent online presence by creating a website, blog, or an e-commerce store that showcases our brand, products, and offerings. Invest in high-quality design content and branding to attract and engage our target audience effectively. Implement sales and marketing system is number three. Develop a comprehensive number three. No, number four. Yeah, build our online presence is number four, and then number three is build our online presence. Number four is implement sales and marketing systems. Develop a comprehensive sales and marketing strategy that leverages various channels and tactics to drive traffic, generate leads, and convert prospects into customers. Utilize a mix of content marketing, social media, email marketing, SEO, PPC, advertising, and other strategies to reach our target audience and nurture them through the sales funnels. Number five, automated and streamlined processes. Implement systems and automation tools to streamline our business operations, maximize efficiency, and scale our efforts. This can include automating lead generation, sales follow-ups, customer support, order and fulfillments, and other repetitive tasks to free up time and resources for strategic growth initiatives. 6. Optimize for scalability. Design our business model and infrastructure with scalability in mind, allowing us to grow and expand our operations seamlessly as demand increases. Invest in scalable technologies, platforms, and resources that can accommodate growth and support our long-term objectives. And then that's it. Implementing systems for unlimited sales and passive income. Once our digital business is up and running, it is time to implement systems for generating unlimited sales and passive income. Here's how we do it. Number one, sales funnels. Develop automated sales funnels that guide prospects through the buying journey from awareness to purchase and beyond. Use lead magnets, opt-in forms, email sequences, and upsells, downsells to maximize conversions rates and generate recurring revenue. Number two, membership sites. Launch a membership site or subscription-based service offering premium content, resources, or exclusive community access. Charge a recurring subscription fee to access our offerings, providing a steady stream of passive income. Number three, affiliate marketing. Partner with other businesses and influencers as an affiliate to promote their products or services to our audience. Earn commissions on sales generated through our affiliate links, leveraging the power of partnerships to drive revenue without the need to create our own products. Number four, digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, softwares, templates, or digital downloads. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly without the need for ongoing effort or maintenance, providing a scalable resource of passive income. 5. Advertising revenue. Monetize our digital assets such as our website, blog, or social media platforms by displaying ads from ad networks like Google AdSense or through direct advertising partnerships. Earn revenue based on ad impressions, clicks, or views generated by our content. Achieving total freedom. By implementing systems for unlimited sales and passive income, we can achieve the ultimate goal of total freedom, both in terms of financial independence and lifestyle flexibility. In conclusion, with a digital business that operates on autopilot, we have the freedom to set our own schedule, work from anywhere in the world, and pursue our passions and interests on our own terms. Whether we are traveling the globe as a wealthy entrepreneur, using the internet to create wealth, and spending more time with our friends and our loved ones, or pursuing other personal goals, the possibilities are endless when we unlock the power of passive income and total freedom through our digital business. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk and learn something that will change your life forever. Implement it right now and start working to build the asset column with passive income by acquiring the right types of assets. Start your business today. Jumpstart by clicking the link in the description of this podcast. Join our digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. Get the ebook and start putting the systems in place. Choose a product and let's launch the first ad that will bring you your first sale on autopilot, and it will be the first pipeline that will create passive income in your life. And if you already have businesses and investments and you're already creating passive income and capital gains income, then join our community here at Master Investor. One of our digital courses will help you excel the bottom line and create more income with the wealth that you already have. Take a look at what we have to offer. We serve from the new entrepreneur to the wealthy entrepreneur who has the excess of cash flow. So join us here. You may be able also to provide value to us. I appreciate you being here, part of our community at Master Investor, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. And I'll talk to you later. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. And remember that a sound business is a system of systems. So let's get started, because a business owner controls systems. Bye for now.